Not detached.
Chicken. The rice is what you call what you call this rice? What do you call this rice?
Uzi.
Uzi. Uzi rice.
Can you remove the spoon, Ray?
This
Can
one
you remove the spoon?
is what you call this one. This is
That one, that spoon there.
tomato.
Tomato paste.
Tomato paste, and this one, ano tawag ito? I think this is, ano tawag mo ito, RJ? This one?
Sinabi ko.
But okay naman, no? The Jordanian food is something which is acceptable.
Acceptable to the Filipino.
Yeah, hindi masyado siya spicy. But flavorful naman siya. Yan, this one also. Anong tawag nila nito? This is the standard na pita. Ba't yung pita sa India, bakit parang crisis ng pita na maninipis? Ito malaki na pita. Diba? So RJ, what's your review sa food?
Very good.
Quick review.
Sak.
Forgot.
Sarap.
So,
Sarap po yung pagkain. So,
the chicken.
just in case po
Malambot, no? Yung chicken, no? Hindi siya...
nakapadaan po kayo sa Jerash
Yeah.
ruins, you can eat here in the restaurant.
This is the restaurant inside Jerash na ano to, na tourism site center. And we have yung drinks. Pomegranate. The drinks.
It's good.
And we have our brother here saying, masarap. Very nice.
Parang Pinoy lang din.